Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. Our question today comes from Tanya. She lives in Tallahassee, Florida, which is Zone 8. And her question today is, what's the best variety of cucumbers for fresh eating? So there are basically three types of cucumbers. There's pickling, slicers, and the European or Japanese type. I like to grow the parthenocarpic ones, especially if I'm growing off-season. The parthenocarpic means they will pollinate themselves, don't need a pollinator. So we're going to start them after the last frost date, like when the nights are warm, and we can also transplant our cucumbers into the garden, and I also like to trellis them up. So for Tanya in Zone 8, she can start in the house about March 15th and plant them out about mid-April. She can plant a second crop around June 15th and plant those out in July. Once the second crop comes on, then she can pull out the first crop. So take the second crop into the fall as late as you can and trellis them up to help keep the diseases down. Okay, so for fresh eating, my favorite one to grow is Tasty Green Hybrid. It is a parthenocarpic cucumber. We've also grown one called a Tachi White, which is a Japanese type. I start them February 1st in a pot in the greenhouse in my hothouse, and then we plant them in the greenhouse March 10th. And then we grow a second crop planted June 1st, and we grow that until October 15th. So we actually have two plantings, and the reason that we do that is the first one comes on, it goes really great, then the plants get a little tired, by then the second one is on, and it takes us to the end of the season. That keeps us in high cucumber production for the entire season. Another one that we're playing with is called Green Light. It's a mini one. I'm growing it in the winter in the house under lights. It has been fantastic. Here's a few pictures of it. You can see it growing. It has given us some really, really good cucumbers. It is also very tasty and a nice variety to grow if you want something a little smaller. I do not grow any of the slicers, like the ones that you see in the store. They got the wax coating on them and stuff. Straight 8, I think, is one of those varieties. I find them to be bitter, and I don't like them near as well as I do the other kind. I like the Japanese and the European ones the best. The other one that we grow is one called Northern Pickler, and we grow this just for pickles. And this one is very bitter if you just go to eat it out of the garden. It's best when pickled, with the vinegar and stuff like that. So to answer your question, Tanya, I would grow Tasty Green Hybrid as my first choice. Itachi probably is my second choice, and Green Light as my third choice for cucumbers, varieties that I like the best. So if you have a garden question that you would like answered, please click on the link below the video and submit your question. If you would like to learn more about cucumbers and want to watch us grow a whole season of cucumbers week by week for 33 weeks, then go ahead and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in the show, we follow a high performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. So this is the best insider's look at watching everything that we do with the cucumber plants week after week, all season long. We'll even show you a professional trellising system for your cucumbers. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime you want. So go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, and you can sign up or click the link below. So I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information, and submit your garden questions so that you can get the answers that you need. Until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.